Now these two behind me are probably the most popular cars of 2019, the Kia Seltos and the MG Hector. Both of these are turbo-petrol, both of these have dual-clutch automatic transmissions, but which one is quicker? Well, we have a drag strip with us. Let's find out.
Both the Seltos and the Hector are also somewhat similar in terms of the amount of power and torque they put out, with the Kia making 140 horsepower and 242 Newton meters, and the MG slightly more powerful at 143 horsepower and 250 Newton meters of torque. So let's see how they perform. While the Kia is lower on power and torque, a slicker gearbox meant that the Korean pulled away from the line and powered through to win the race. It set a time of 17.599 seconds, which was over a second faster than the MG's 18.747 second sprint. So why was the MG slower? Well, that is mainly due to the fact that the dual clutch gearbox on the Kia is just far more superior than the one on the MG and prefers a flat-out driving style more. And even though the MG was launched as hard as possible, the slow to respond DSG box that underpins the Hector meant that it was slow off the line, thus losing out to the Seltos at the end of the quarter mile.